the holy name of Allah, who is the most Rahman and the most Rahim,
who is most glorious and praiseworthy. Assalamu alaikum.
We are delighted to welcome the respected parents of Al-Mujtaba and Al-Shakur campus on this captivating day where excitement awaits around every corner. I'll take a moment to introduce myself. This is me, Abdullah Rashid.
And it's me, Shiri,
from Al-Mujtaba campus. Esteemed guests, today I want to talk about something that is very close to my heart. The contribution of our parents and teachers in our lives.
Exactly. Parents play a vital role in shaping their children's lives.
I completely agree with you. My parents have given me the education, confidence, and opportunity to achieve the goals of my future. They have chosen the best educational system, Britain International School System, Al-Mujtaba campus for me, and the same goes for my sister.
My parents' support is invaluable to me. Mom and Dad, thank you so much for being my rock, my inspiration, and my guiding light. I love you more than words can ever express.
But wait, I think we forgot to mention some valuable people whose contributions are just as important in our lives.
Yeah, you are right. The personalities who are next to our parents,
who have profound impact on our lives,
providing us with the best,
nurturing our well-being,
and guiding us towards success.
Yes, we are talking about our beloved teachers.
But still, I'm wondering who trained our teachers.
How can I forget to acknowledge the personality who is sitting in this hall, in front of my eyes, the heartbeat of our system, the chairman of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, the role model of our teachers, Sir Javed Iqbal.
Respected sir, your tireless efforts, dedication, and passion for teaching inspired our teacher to reach their full potential. You work like a candle that burns itself to light the way for others.
Wait. The story doesn't stop here. One more personality is sitting beside Sir Javed Iqbal, and that person is our respected and honorable Ma'am Sobia Khalil.
Ma'am, we wanted to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for everything you have done for us.
Your guidance and unwavering support have been instrumental in shaping our students' lives.
We love you, Sir Javed Iqbal.
We love you, Ma'am Sobia Khalil.
We love our teachers.
And most importantly,
we love our parents. Dear parents, put your hands together and welcome the wonderful and brilliant girls of Al-Mujtaba campus,
who are coming to pay tribute to the parents and teachers of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges through their heartwarming performance. Thanks.
पाकिस्तान में हर 2 में से एक बच्ची तालीम से महरूम है। एक मजबूत माँ ये बदल सकती है। आए सराहें उन माँओं को जो खुद इम्तिहानों से गुजरकर अपनी बेटियों को पढ़ाती हैं।
आयशा जल्दी करो।
कहते हैं 5वीं पढ़ ली, अब और कितना पढ़ाओगी? पूछते हैं इसकी पढ़ाई के पीछे और कितनी मुश्किलें उठाओगी? सोचते हैं पढ़ाओगी तो फिर घर कैसे चलाओगी?
दूध पी लो।
अम्मी बस 2 मिनट।
इसको पढ़ाने से, इसको सिखाने से तुम क्या पाओगी? खुद को कितने इम्तिहानों में डालती जाओगी?
वो ये नहीं जानते कि मैं इम्तिहानों से गुजरूंगी तो मेरी बेटी आगे बढ़ती जाएगी।
जब माँ करती है इम्तिहानों का डट के मुकाबला, तो ही बेटी पढ़कर मजबूत बनती है।
इनके रास्ते पे चलना चाहती हूँ, रोशनी की सिमत बढ़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं किताबें सारी पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, नित नए ख्वाब को लिखना चाहती हूँ, नहीं जो बदला बदलना चाहती हूँ, मैं साथ हवा के उड़ना चाहती हूँ। ये कलम से
selfless efforts, patience, and encouragement that shaped us the persons we are today. We are honored to acknowledge your contribution in our success. Hail, we want to express our life skills which we have learned from you. इंसाफ का सबक मिला आपके किरदार से, इंसाफ का सबक मिला आपके किरदार से, हक के रास्ते पर चलूं आपके प्यार से।
बुलंद उड़ान का ख्वाब हकीकत बनाया, बुलंद उड़ान का ख्वाब हकीकत बनाया, शाहीन की नज़र से जीना सिखाया। शिफा के रास्ते पर चलना सिखाया आपने, शिफा के रास्ते पर चलना सिखाया आपने, दवा से पहले दुआ का मतलब बताया आपने।
खड़ी रहती हूँ तो शाहों में सर अपना उठाकर, खड़ी रहती हूँ तो शाहों में सर अपना उठाकर, एहसान किया है आपने मुझे इस काबिल बनाकर।
आपने हाथ पकड़ कर न चलाया होता, मैं कभी पेड़ न बनती, न मेरा साया होता, न होती मैं वो सब कुछ जो आज मैं हूँ। मुझ में मेरा अक्स मेरे उस्ताद आपने न दिखाया होता।
The proud daughters of our parents and pride of our teachers of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. This system gives us identity and strength to dream more, to learn more, to do more, and to become more. The teachers of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges are great blessing of Allah Almighty for all of us. Today, we witness the remarkable transformation of these students from small delicate plants to strong towering trees. Do you know what is behind all this success? Yes, the 3 keys of success taught by worthy Sir Javed Iqbal. He is the man of great vision. He taught his team to contribute something positive in the society. By following his footsteps, his team is trying to serve the nation by shaping the character of young generation. Here I want to reveal the keys that will unlock the door to success. The first key is fair intention. According to the first hadith of Bukhari Sharif, Innamal a'malu binniyat. The rewards of deeds depends upon the intention. So our attention must be pure. And the second key is hard work, as Allah Pak says in Quran, Al-Kasibu Habibullah. The hard worker is the beloved of Allah, so we have to work hard. And the last key to open the door of success is to getting prayers of others. We believe upon this, that those 3 keys are the ultimate source of success in this world and hereafter. Now, I would like to invite on stage great personality, Sir Javed Iqbal. Please, sir, join us on the stage and grace us with your presence to spread the light to dispel the darkness of ignorance.
requesting you to be the part of this symbolic gestures by taking out your mobile phones from your pocket or bags and turn on the flashlight and joining us in supporting the light and joy all around. I will humbly be requesting to our Deputy Director Operations, respected, venerable and honorable Ma'am Javeria Shahid, to be on the stage to join this crew of excellences of the people standing on the stage. Respected ma'am, without you this group isn't complete. So thank you so very much for being on the stage and giving this honor to the stage and to us. ये कामयाबियाँ, ये इज्जत, ये नाम आपसे है. ये कामयाबियाँ, ये इज्जत, ये नाम आपसे हैं. खुदा ने जो भी दिया मकाम आपसे है. कहाँ बिसाते जहाँ और मैं कम से नौलादा. कहाँ बिसाते जहाँ और मैं कम से नौलादा. ये हमारी जीत का सब तमाम आपसे है. Dear parents, please join us on this supporting the light.
करके दिखा कमाल वो आगे.
I am really and highly thankful to all the respected personality, esteemed, venerable and honorable Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal, esteemed, venerable